Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa Sapporo so
Yes.
far?
Nice. Peaceful.
We're going to Sapporo.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Hindi na gumagana ako. Kaya bagsak ang senior.
Welcome to Hokkaido!
Ito ng ulo ko.
Start,
So,
start,
nakaka-stimulate pala ng bonggang-bongga
Start.
if you are navigating yourself plus you're taking care of your two senior parents.
Enjoy kami pagbablog ni Papa na. Pagbablog na kami Papa family. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog!
Pagod pala mag-lead ng senior tour.
Papa, driver. O ang co-pilot. Passenger princess. So, our first destination, Akumanay, Takinorian Cemetery. May mga attraction spots din around here na pwede nyong puntahan.
Sobrang ganda. Sobrang breathtaking niya.
First destination, survive.
What you gonna do when your circuit's being burned out? Staying in your lane, I'm a zombie, but I still try. I say, what you gonna do? What you gonna do right now? She thinks it's okay, bringing guns to a fist fight. Staring with those eyes, knowing I'm just gonna lay down. Hey, I keep rolling with the punches, take another one, it feels nice. Ouch! I think I'm gonna break down.
Ay, wag niyo ako kausapin at masakit ang ulo ko, day. Ang pangit pala ng flight ko from Cebu. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Ang tagal ko na kasing nabook to, like last year pa, nung Piso Fair yata, or yung nag-promo ang Sebpak. And die 4:15 a.m. What the heck? 4:15 a.m. sis, red eye flight. So I have to wake up at 1 a.m. to be in the airport at 2. So sakto din naman kasi, thank God for Cebu Airport, Mactan International Airport, napaka-smooth ng proseso compared sa Manila Airport, day. Walang masyadong pila, ang bibilis ng mga proseso, as in, ang bilis ng proseso, tuloy-tuloy lang talaga ako. So within 30 minutes, I'm already in the boarding gate. Ganon ka-smooth. So thank God. So meaning, I don't have to be in the airport at least 3 hours before. Pag sa Manila kasi yun yung advice, dapat 3 hours before or earlier, just in case lalo pag peak hour. But here in Cebu, I was there, mga 2 or past 2. So now, I took the Cebu Pacific flight from 4:15 to 10:30 a.m. So it's around the 4 hours travel. Mabilis lang. Then pag land sa Japan, ayan, tuloy-tuloy lang hanggang sa nandito na ako sa bus station. So for this vlog, mga bestie ko, hindi ko na i-discuss yung mga tips and guidelines on how to arrive in Tokyo Airport since maraming beses ko na yan na-discuss sa mga previous vlogs ko. Check nyo na lang here. But basically, sobrang dali lang naman. Of course, you need a visa, valid visa. Pagdating mo sa airport, you just have to fill out 2 forms, which is the immigration form and the custom declaration form. In the immigration form, take note, they need the full details of your accommodation, meaning the name, the address, and the telephone number. Then for the customs naman, mga bestie ko, ito nadali ako kanina kasi dala-dala ko yung shawarma ko from Cebu and bawal pala talaga siya. Ilang beses na rin sinabi sa airplane. Pero hindi ko siya naisip kasi 4:15 a.m. na. So yun, nadekwat yung aking shawarma from Cebu kasi bawal talaga. Any meat, cook man yan or lalo na pag raw, hindi talaga siya pwede. Okay, so take note nyo yan. Then after you pass by immigration and customs, arrivals na yan, then depende na lang sa amats mo kung paano ka pupunta sa hotel mo. For us mga bestie ko, nakita nyo naman sa aking title, we are going to Sapporo. Via Tokyo po tayo. Take note, meron pong direct from Manila to Sapporo. But for us, since it's cheaper this way, we took the Manila, Tokyo, then Sapporo na route. Kaya ako nandito sa Tokyo. Now, speaking of, our hotel during our stay here in Tokyo is just 15 minutes away from the Narita Airport because the next morning, fly away na po kagad kami pa Sapporo. So we booked it via Klook, ayan, the Narita Tobu Hotel Airport. And mga bestie ko, meron po siyang pa-free shuttle na inclusive sa booking mo. So, libre po ang sakay nyo from airport to the hotel and vice versa. That's why I'm here in the bus station because I'm just waiting for the bus to arrive. Diba? Sobrang wala pa po tayong gastos for the first hour in Tokyo. Take note mga bestie ko, if you are also gonna be booking the same accommodation, you can actually book through Agoda or through Klook using these codes. Sayang din ang matitipid nyo. Then, share ko na din mga bestie ko yung instructions on how to go to the bus station para ma-avail yung free shuttle. So, paglabas mo sa arrivals gate, labas ka ng mismo sa, ayan, yung asin mismong gate na yun, then locate the bus number 25. Okay, so yan yung bus number 25. Then, they have specific schedule for pickups. I'll just place it here or also, I'll also put the link down below para mas magamay nyo yung website. Ayan, so for me, I arrived 10:30. I'm gonna catch the 11:15 a.m. bus, which is in 1 minute. So, ganun lang kadali ang buhay dito sa Tokyo. I love it. So, ayan, let's go. Sila mama pala mamaya pa. 2 hours yung difference ng arrival namin. So, sa hotel na lang kami magkikita. Diyos ko, ito na po, gulong-gulo na. I think, this is gonna be my first time alone handling my parents on a trip. Usually kasi when we travel with my parents, usually kasama ko si Carl or kasama ko yung mga kapatid ko or friends. Ito, ako lang po ang magiging accountable sa aking senior parents. Help me, Lord. So, let's see! So tara, wala pa yatang, ba't ganun? Wala pa yung shuttle, 11:15 na. Di ba dapat on time sila? Anyway, let's go. Ay, oh my God, on time nga sila, Day. Ayan no, 11:15. Parating na yung bus. Let's go! Okay, so update mga bestie ko. Hindi ko alam bakit ganun. Naduling tayo. So, I thought it's 11:15. But take note, from Terminal 1 pala. So, if you're coming from Terminal 2, Terminal 2 kasi tayo, 11:50 pa po ang ating shuttle. So, we have 30 minutes. It's 11:18 na. So, kain na lang muna tayo. Yay! May 7-Eleven sa second floor. So, baba ka lang ng isang escalator. Then, you can already buy quality Japanese food. This is 648 yen. Ay, tama ba? Oo. 700 yen with tax. Kain guys, grabe parang tatagos na ako sa pader sa antok. Imagine nyo guys, yung flight ko was from Siargao pa. Basta napakaaga, hindi na gumagana aking utak. Basta napakaaga, wala pa akong tulog talaga. Sarap. Grabe yun guys. Kulang na lang So kasing sinasawsaw sa mayonnaise ang aking karaage. Kulang na lang yun. Tapos perfect na. Hello! Welcome to Japan!
Yes, happy birthday to me.
Happy
I'm
birthday!
61 years old. Thank you
Happy
na.
birthday to you! So, ang tagal nyo naman. Ang tagal nyo.
Number 25, gumano kami pala.
Kaya mga senior.
25 lang. Wala, 3 p.m. pa. Kumain muna kayo.
Pahinga mo tayo na, lobat talaga.
Oo nga. Hindi naman tayo gagala ngayon, bukas pa. So, ayan na. Reunited na po with my parents. It's currently 2 p.m. na. And yes, kanina pa ako nandito sa waiting area nila kasi ang check-in is at 3 p.m. pa. And even if there's availability for you to be able to check in early, hindi pa rin siya pwede for free. So, you have to pay in addition if gusto mo mag-early check-in. And unfortunately, even if that's possible, wala din daw available na room for us. Kaya ayan, magdadalawang oras na yata ako ditong naghihintay. At ako'y antok na talaga. Wala kaming balak gawin for today. Matutulog lang siguro. Ayan, nakapag-check-in na po kami! So, we got the standard room, good for 3 packs. So, una pa lang talaga, in-specify namin na 3 packs kami. So, ang binigay sa amin is 2 double bed plus a sofa bed na pwedeng going double bed. So, ayan siya. Yan. Ay, hindi na ako makapag-explain na maayos at ako'y inaantok. So, we have here 3 beds that is actually good for 6 packs. So, hindi ko alam kung pwede pa kayo mag-add pa ng more than 3. But kami kasi 3 packs yung aming ni-report. Wala na akong brain cells. Then, maluwag-luwag. Comparing it to standard Japanese rooms, maluwag ito. Wala lang sigurong enough luggage space kung more than 3 kayo at tagi-isa kayo ng malaki malaking luggage. We have here a small coffee table, pang isang tao lang. Then, ayan, may office table or vanity mirror or patungan ng gamit, etc. Meron din tayong, ayan, malaking TV na hindi naman natin magagamit because it's in, ayan, Japanese. Then, meron ding refrigerator. Maliit lang, 'di ba? Kasha drinks at saka mga snacks. Meron din tayong coffee maker or tagapagpainit ng water warmer. Kaya hindi gumagamit yung utak ko. Tapos, ayan, may isang area dito na pwede mong lagayan ng luggage, pero pang isang luggage lang din. Meron ding sabitan ng clothes, if you wanna hang your, clothes mo. Then, may isang full body mirror. Near the main door is the toilet. Maliit lang din ang toilet. Napapansin ko pala sa mga Japanese toilet, lagi silang may maliit na bathtub. So, ayan siya. Provided na rin naman ang shampoo, conditioner, and soap. Japanese toilet din siya, pero hindi yung advanced na Japanese toilet. Gets nyo ba yun? For a one-night tulugan, sobrang sulit na to. I love it. And comfortable siya. Our view is actually the view of the airport already. If you could zoom it in, andyan na yung airport. O, diba? So, parang halos walking distance na lang. So, ayan ang parents ko. Hey! Hi! Mag-hi naman kayo sa vlog. Ayan, mga wala ding tulog. Galing sa Manila. Thank you daw. First agenda is matulog. Tag-isang kama kami nila mama. One bed each person. So, dito ako sa gitna. Tulog pa tayo. So, naglakad kami ng 10 minutes. Ayan ang mga senior natin. Nilakad ko sila 10 minutes. Going to this restaurant. Pero dahil, close. Happy birthday daw kay mama. Close! Hanap na lang tayo ng restaurant. Ayan sila. Stretching daw sila. So, inside the hotel, there's actually a family mart na convenience store. Ayan. Hindi namin siya na-consider kanina nung naghahanap kami ng restaurant. So, what we did was, we searched the nearest one. And the nearest one was actually 10 minutes away. So, naglakad kami. Then, ang ending day, closed. Closed ang mga first zone. And of course, instead of going back walking again, napapagod ng mga senior natin at wala pa kaming tulog masyado. Nag-Uber na lang kami. And it took us 1,000 yen to go back. And now, ayan, Family Mart na lang ang aming atake. Actually, masarap naman ang food sa Family Mart. Check tayo, ha. Bet ko dito yung chicken nila. Ayan, doon tayo, marami. Gusto mo na masarap na ice cream? Favorite ko to. Ayan, o.
Ang dami pinakain chocolate.
Ayaw niya. Ayaw niya daw, matukso. Ay, parang walang food masyado. Walang food masyado, guys. Pero ang amats naman nila mama is salad. So, sakto. May mga salad over there. Mabilisan nyo kasi wala nang pagkain. 3 na lang to. Ayan o. Salad, diba gusto niya? Ay, ito pa pala, sorry. Ayan, ang mga pagkain. Ayan, perfect. So, we got here a lot of food over here. So, for example, kuha tayo ng pork cutlet bento. It's at 753 yen. Mga 300 something. Tapos, ito, cold soba noodle dip. It's at 450 yen. Ito, parang ang sarap nito. Egg carbonara pasta, 598. So, ayan ang mga order namin. Got water, tapos may dessert, salad, basta, ayan. And also, we have salad over here. Salad pa to. Tapos, ito parang ang sarap niya tignan, oh. Souffle pudding. Then, appetizer. Ayan. It's at 587. Tapos, mili kasi kami sa mga ganito. Salmon, 298. Bogs. Mga 1K. So, bill reveal, it's at 3,433. Ang dami na rin, ah. Busog to. Busog tayo niyan. So, this is the food. Bogs. 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 This is mine. Bogs. Bogs. Bogs, dami. Para tayo magmumukbang ngayon.
Take note sa ating harapan.
Or wait, happy birthday, mama.
Ang video.
Happy birthday, mama.
I'm so
Happy
sorry.
birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, mama.
Thank you, Parang God.
Ito na.
So, more,
Family Mart.
more, 20 years,
Birthday.
Lord.
Birthday, ma.
More years to come.
Ika, healthy living.
More healthy.
So, good morning! 5 a.m. Sakto, agad-agad dumadating na yung pick-up shuttle namin. Free to, again, going back to the airport. Let's go! And sila mama kumukuha ng mga suklay. Para daw pasalubong yun sa mga teachers. Let's go! Dala niya pa yung juice from yesterday. Hello!
going to Narita Airport.
Airport.
Going to
And going
Hokkaido.
to Hokkaido.
今動き出す窓の外眺めて遠くで揺れる光同じ先見つめ、yeah、 心はもうきっと気づいてる君じゃなきゃ意味ないありきたりかな口ずさむラブソング唇に
Alright, what's up, what's up? Nasa aeroplano na po kami. Tsura ko. Grabe yung makeup ko. Hindi siya pantay, but dead ba na tayo, guys? We're finally boarded and the plane going to... We're going to
Hokkaido.
Hokkaido. Sapporo, Hokkaido.
Hokkaido. But it's summertime, not winter.
Nasaan si Papa?
So si Papa ang driver.
Again, where are we going?
Sapporo!
Okay, sabay-sabay, energy. 1, 2, 3. We're going to
Sapporo!
So, ayun na nga. We woke up very early, 4 a.m. Kasi our free shuttle was at 5 a.m. Mamaya na tayo chichika kasi nagsasalita si Ate.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, yeah, tama. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Hindi, ganun.
Mali, mali pala.
Pag-travel na ganito, Diyos, ang dalangin nga po namin sa mga sandaling ito, Ama.
Ayan, before ako mag-discuss ulit mga bestie ko, ang water ay 150 yen. So, meron naman silang snacks dito. Pero, siguro mas maganda kumain na kayo outside. Ayan. So, may mga snacks 500. Pringles maliit. May mga parang tinapay. If you want drinks, may water, juice. Maliit lang. 250. Yan. Yeah, 1 water. Ate ko, napakamahal. Kung gusto mo ng coffee, black tea, green tea, onion consume, 250. Cup noodles, 500. Medj mahal. So, take note pala mga bestie ko before anything else. Our flight is at this cost. I booked this around a month before our trip. So, medyo last minute siya. I believe it's gonna be cheaper if you will really book in advance. So, base fare or base flight is this one. Then, yung medyo mahal is the luggage. Almost the same price ng flight cost namin, di ba? Going back to what I was saying, so we woke up very early, 4 a.m. 5 a.m. ang pick up ng free shuttle. I'll show you the schedule here ng free shuttle from our hotel to the airport just in case you are also going from our hotel and wanted to avail the free shuttle. Ayan. So for our case, we could either get the 5 a.m. or 5:30 a.m. But of course, kasi mga senior na mga kasama ko, mababagal sila kumilos. The earlier, the better. So 5 a.m. ang aming tinake na free shuttle. Thank you. And make sure that you have to be on time because they're really on time. Iiwanan ka talaga nila. 5:02, wala na yung bus sa mismong hotel. If naiwan kayo, the Uber, pwede naman kayo mag-Uber para tong Grab here in Japan, it will take you around 1,000 yen to 11 yen. Kahit sobrang lapit lang ng airport. Pwede naman kayong maglakad, but I think I'm not sure kung how long. I'll just show you the Google map from our hotel to the terminal 2. So ayan, ganyan kalayo pag mag-walk kayo. So now, drop-off point is at Terminal 2. Wala silang drop-off sa Terminal 3. But don't worry because from Terminal 2 to Terminal 3, you just have to walk around mga 350 meters. So saglit lang naman and hindi na kayo sa mismong kalsada maglalakad tulad sa Pilipinas. They have designated parang bridge or walkway going to Terminal 3 and madali lang siya, hindi kayo mawilito because talagang meron silang kulay going to Terminal 3. Yung kulay talaga sa road. So susundan nyo na lang yung kulay na yun and there are actually signs as well. So it's very easy to navigate around Terminal 2 to Terminal 3. Now, once you arrive Terminal 3, ayan yung look ng buong airport. Simple lang, very minimalist. Walang pila ang aming check-in counter. You can actually go to the check-in counter itself or use these machines, ayan yung mga machines, to check in yourself. So, kaya-kaya mag-self-check-in. All you have to do is enter the booking reference number ng flight ticket nyo. You don't need an ID, you don't need anything else. Just that. Then, matik, ipiprint na yung boarding pass nyo and ide-declare nyo din kung ilan yung check-in luggage nyo kasi doon magbibigay ng bag tag. Kaya kami binigyan ng 2 bag tag. Once you get the bag tag, i-stick nyo lang yan sa mga check-in luggage nyo yourself. Meron namang parang instruction din sa stickers kung paano nyo isi-stick together pero basically it's just stick nyo lang yung both dulo. No? After that, self-drop off na din. Don't worry, may mga parang staff naman around to assist you. Wala din pila yung self-drop off, dire-diretso lang kami. So mga bestie ko, take note, if you purchase a 20 kilo luggage, make sure na maximum 20 kilo lang ang luggage nyo. You can actually check in more than just one luggage as long as if pag pinagsama lahat ng luggages na yun, maximum 20 kilo. They're very strict. 21 will not be accepted, I believe. So yan, sobrang bilis lang. It only took us 2 minutes to self-bag drop. Then ito. Then after the bag drop is the checking kung gaano kabigat yung hand carry nyo. So yes, they actually check it. They're very strict. And for each person, you're only allowed 7 kilo hand carry, including your personal bag. So, kalwari kung meron kang hand carry luggage and shoulder bag, both sila ikikilo and dapat 7 kilo maximum lang. So, they're very strict with that. Once approved, they give you a tag, itong orange, specifying na yes, pasok sa 7 kilo yung hand carry luggage mo. If your luggage is more than 7 kilo, you have to pay in addition. So, ayan na lang yung detail for additional cost if ever. So, take note nyo na, like, double check your hand carry, double check your check-in luggage. Now, after the screening ng luggages nyo, you can now go to the boarding gate. So, yung airport, mga bestie ko, actually, medyo malaki siya. So, medyo kaunting lakad. So, make sure you allot time for the walking. Siguro from the check-in counters to the boarding gate, let's say 15 minutes total before you reach the boarding gate. May mga restaurants around. May convenience store. Ayan, may Family Mart. So, if ever gusto nyong kumain muna, pwede naman doon. On the boarding gates itself kasi wala nang mga restaurants. So, take note nyo na lang din. May mga small shops, yes. So, you could buy water or anything, but mga restaurants wala. Then, before passing through the boarding gate as well, you have to go through the X-ray. So, take note nyo na lang. Ayan yung mga bawal for hand carry. I-check yan sa X-ray, mga bestie ko. If you are bringing a power bank, make sure na hindi siya sa check-in luggage, i-hand carry mo siya. If you're also bringing batteries, meron silang rules about that. Anyway, I'll just show you the rules about the batteries here for your information. So, ayan, boarding na kami. Sobrang on time nila. Our boarding is at 6:40. 6:34 pa lang nagbo-boarding na sila. So, ganun sila ka-on time, mga bestie ko. Take note nyo yan. So, we're finally here in the plane. Yan ang mga parents ko. Tulog na. Ayan. Bagsak ang senior. Cute nila, holding hands pa sila. Sana all. Yan ang marriage goals. They're already 35 years, 33 years together. Sweet pa rin. Sana ganun po ang magiging marriage ko. Anyway, here's the look of our plane. Very domestic, very simple lang. Yung seats, nare-recline naman. No, we have here and table. Ang feet, okay din naman. Enough feet space. Hindi yung tipong, di ba minsan yung mga ibang plane, andito na talaga yung kaharap mong seat. Ito naman, hindi naman. So, there's enough space for yourself. The travel time is from 7:10 a.m. to 8:55 a.m. So, it's more than an hour. So, yun lang naman.
Much is given, much is required. You've given
Oh, mag-beer ka pa. Hokkaido beer. Bucket list. Let's go to the toilet, ma. Alam mo ba paano gumamit ng mga, toilet, ma? Kaya nga, patingin. Tingnan natin ang toilet. Toilet check. First toilet experience in Sapporo. Ma, naka-red. Check natin ang banyo. Tingin. Wow, ang laki. Bye. So this is their baggage area. Maliit lang. Dalawa lang yung kanilang belt, A and B, as far as I can see. So this is the look of their arrivals area. We arrived at gate 5. Tapos ayan lang, maliit lang siya. Connected na rin sa JR train just in case you're gonna commute, which what we're gonna do later. Commute going to our hotel. Ano yun, ma? Ano yung tinatanong mo? Tatanong niya kung ano. Ma, pakita mo na. Sige na. Para makarelate din yung mga senior. May mga nanonood sa aking senior, ma.
Oo.
Dali. Alam ba nila ang HBD? Si mama hindi.
High blood. High blood.
High blood. Die. High blood ka na, die. Ano daw yung HBD?
Ganda practice mo yan.
Tapos ano yung isa pa?
GBY.
GBY, ma?
God bless you.
Ako pa, meron ako. NGL. Not gonna lie. Pang ano to eh, Gen Z. Fur. FR. FR. Sabi mo, ma, fur fam.
Prefer fam.
Yan. For real fam.
For real?
For real.
Uy, ito.
Meron pa ako. YOLO. YOLO.
Tayo.
YOLO.
Singi.
You only live once. IYKYK. Ik.
Yun na kaya ano?
Hindi, ikaw na. Ano yung muna? IYK. IYK pa.
Ingat kayo?
Ha?
Ingat kayo?
Ingat ka. Asa yung Y?
Kayo.
IYKYK. Alam niyo yan. Pa. Lagi mo yung sinasabi. YK.
Inshallah.
If you know, you know. Wow! So mali ang inaakala ko. Ang laki din pala. Ayan oh. Wow! Para siyang may mall beside the airport. So dito yung mga departures, arrivals. Then this one, may mga shops. The restaurant is on the 3rd floor. Ayan, may pa-Uniqlo pa sila over there. Then may mga parang small shops pa over there. Ganda. Ganda ng airport nila. So this is the 3rd floor, besties. Marami silang mga restaurants around. But right now kasi it's very early. It's 9:30. Close pa yung iba. Ayan. On the 4th floor, meron naman silang, ayun, diba? Ang dami naman nilang mga anik-anik. May onsen pa doy. Meron pang theater doy. Diba? Domestic airport lang nila to. Philippines can never. So, ano naman? Okay? So, pakita ko na lang sa inyo since hindi ko kayo maiikot around. Ito yung buong floor ng 3rd floor. So, ayan. Maraming mga restaurants around. So, dito na lang kami magla-lunch since at 12 p.m. pa yung next appointment namin.
Welcome to Hokkaido!
So this is their lunch. First meal in Sapporo. Hokkaido pala. Wala pa pala tayo sa Sapporo. Hokkaido. So ano to?
Ramen.
Anong ramen to?
Ramen con
Ito,
ramen.
ito.
Yeah, ramen. Basta ramen siya.
Ramen siya na, ano lasa?
Beef
Pati
at
tayo ano po?
Pork. 1.5? Magkano to? 1.5. Sa kanya din. So ayan mga bestie ko. Wala kasing English, so feel ko nagturo lang sila mama. So they ordered this one. I think this is their best seller. 1.4. Then si mama naman ito. 1.650 or 1.4.
So delicious.
Delicious. Bakit siya ma-delicious? Maalat-alat ba? Savory?
It tastes with my appetite.
Ay nako. Director cut. Ano muna tayo yung first step na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 4, 5. Ah!
Oh, check muna natin. ito isang sayo lang.
We're actually going to our next destination na and we're leaving the airport. So we are here in the departures area because yun nga, nag-eat pa kami in this area, second floor. Ngayon, depende yan sa Google Maps nyo kung anong pinaka mas preferred way to go to your next destination is either JR train or bus. For us kasi, it's cheaper and most convenient pag magbabas kami. There's signs naman going to the bus. We just follow it. Nasa first floor tayo, so we go down. Ayan, so going to the bus. Four, five. So ito yung mga bus. Hindi ko lang alam kung saang number tayo. Okay, so marami na po tayong nagawa dito sa airport. Time check, it's 10:40 a.m. Dating namin was almost 9. So almost 2 hours yata kami dito. I'm not sure. But anyway, so ayan, nakakain na kami, nakapag-TikTok na, and nakapag-shopping na si mama ng Uniqlo. For now, like I mentioned earlier, you have 2 ways na public transportation for you to be able to reach Sapporo. It's either you take the train, JR, subway station, or you take the bus. Depende yan sa Google. I-search mo sa Google yung destination nyo, which is yung hotel nyo or your next destination, and you could see options. Ano yung pinaka-ideal for you guys? For us kasi, let's say, the JR option was faster, pero maraming lakad and maraming palit. And it was more expensive. It was 2,800 yen. Itong bus, isang sakay lang, then 1 6-minute walk. And it was at 1.5. Yun lang, mas matagal siya ng mga 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I think. So, it's insignificant for us. Now, if you're gonna take the bus, mga bestie ko, take note, wag nyo kaming gayahin. Lumabas kasi agad kami and we were finding the bus station number na agad. Before you do that, while you're inside the airport, go to the counter kung saan nagbebenta ng tickets and approach them. That's where you will buy your tickets. Doon na rin sasabihin sa inyo kung anong bus stop number. Sa Google Maps kasi, hindi nakasabi. So, nagtatanong-tanong pa kami kina kuya kung saan to and everything. And they said, ayan, bus number 20 nga. But then, yun nga, wala pala kaming ticket. So, I have to go inside the airport to purchase tickets. So, again, purchase tickets first, determine your bus number, then you proceed. So, ayan na yung bus namin! Hi! So, bus 20. Papasok na. Hulog mo daw yung ticket sa box. Ito ng ulo ko. So, nakaka-stimulate pala ng bonggang-bongga if you are navigating yourself plus you're taking care of your 2 senior parents na ayan, diba? Ang daming ambag ni mama. Picture lang. Buti si Papa may ambag, tagahawak ng ticket. Ayun, so travel time is from 10:50 a.m. to 11:46 a.m. So it's almost 1 hour. Then take note mga bestie ko, this one is every hour. So make sure na you really arrive, let's say 10 minutes before your most ideal time. Kasi kung naiwan kayo, 1 hour na naman yung hihintayin nyo, diba? Tatlo. Okay. Arigato. 6 minutes walk. Ito lang ang ambag ni Mama.
Mag-join kami pag-vlog ni Papa na. Mag-vlog na kami Papa family first time.
Alright.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Vidal's family, ang mga lakwachera. Asa ka ba? Akala ko ako vlogger eh. Kahirapan niya ako dito.
Dito tayo, nagka-counter po tayo.
Itong maleta mo, senior na rin yata.
Dire-diretso lang. So 5 minutes walk. Grabe, hindi namin mahila yung luggage namin kasi itong floor, ice talaga siya.
Tinutulak niyo yung bag yan, hindi man puro yellow.
Oo, yellow talaga. So ngayon, din mo, kayang-kaya. So I like this weather better. Hindi ganun kainit, hindi rin ganun kalamig, at hindi rin maaraw. First time ko mag-navigate with my parents habang dala-dala ang bagahe. Tanga-tanga kasi talaga ako sa Google Maps, guys. Taray si Mama, princess. Isang maliit na bagang dala. Asang kontribusyon, aura-aura lang. Ano, Ma?
Mag-vlog kami kasama yung tatay ni Colleen. So meet niyo po yun.
Wow, magiging vlogger na daw siya.
Yung vlogger na kami. I-give up na namin pagiging teacher at magiging accountant.
Family Mart. Ayan, Family Mart. Andyan na yata yung kotse. 5705 ang van. Baka nasa gilid. Aray, sa balakang. Dala-dala namin lahat ng luggage namin. Perfect. Okay. Taray, field trip. Ikaw daw magdadrive ng van pa. Joke. So ayan, we're already here in the van. Napagod ako. Nakapagod pala mag-lead ng senior tour. Our next agenda is pick up our car because most days during our stay here in Sapporo, self-drive lang kami. Bilang si Papa, marunong naman mag-drive, mas makakatipid kami. So I'll just show you the details of our car rental here. Where we booked, of course, it's with Klook. The link is in the description box below. Ayan yung days. It's from July 1 to 5. And ito yung price. Ang inclusion is this one as well. I'll place it here. So, di ba ang mura na lang? Rather than booking separate tours on a daily basis. Although convenient siya, yes. Siyempre ngayon, we'll try to be as budgeted as possible. Ito yung mali ko. Actually, dapat pala ang pickup is sa airport na lang. Although, Papa, kaya mo ba mag-drive from the airport to here? Depende. But I mean, yun sana yung pinaka-efficient sana na sa airport na lang i-pick up yung car para from that, gala na kami. Eh, mas nabook ko to ng una comparing it nung nabook ko yung Sapporo na flight namin. So, hindi ko pa alam kung kailan yung departure and arrival namin. Kaya, dito na lang namin mismo sa Sapporo City, ipipick up yung car. Now, for the process of the pick up, they contacted me on email. Ayan yung email. They provided us their WhatsApp. So, yun yung kinontak ko. And I'm updating them kung anong oras ipipick up and nasaan na kami and everything. So now, they provided us a link kung saan yung kami ipipick up para mapuntahan namin yung kanilang Sapporo office. Libre to, walang bayad. You can actually go to the Sapporo office yourself, but this is more convenient kasi wala naman kaming car at ayaw na namin maglakad-lakad at mag-commute. So at least, diba, on our case, from the bus, we just walk for a bit, like 5 minutes lang, going to the pick-up area. Then, ayan, nakakar na kami going to the office. So dito kami nag-rent. Ito yung operator, Washin Car Rental. Ito ang, itsura ng kanyang office. It's in the middle of nowhere. Parang wala akong nakitang nearest station. I think the nearest station was where we came from, the Asabu station. So, diba, haggard talaga if you're gonna commute yourself going here. So, yun yung mga available na car for rent nila. Diba? Ba't parang ang dilim ng no? Ayan, Papa, meet. Anong name niya? Hondi. Yan na lang si Hondi. Papa, meet Hondi. Hondi, meet Papa. Magkakasama kayo for the next 4 days. Bini-video ko to make sure wala po tayong... ito. Video mo yung mga details talaga. Kalwari may gas-gas or something. Kasi wala akong alam dito, guys. Ano ba to? Ano pa ba? Aside from scratches, mga bumps. No, ayan, may scratch. Grabe sa Siargao, hindi ito ganito. Si Mama umupo na sa loob. Si Mama umupo na. Habang nagtatrabaho pa kami ni Papa dito. Wala talaga ambak si Mama. So here, ayan, right-handed po sila. So may mga scratches po dito. Diyan ma, perfect condition. Sure, hindi ka nga nag-check. So, ayan. What we rented is a Honda Fit. Very cute. Very cutesy. Very pang tatlong pamilya lang, di ba? And mas madali siguro i-drive ni Papa. No? Pray for us because ang pinaka-challenge lang is nasa right side ang driver.
Yung mga gasgas na yan,
Ha?
Dati yung mga gasgas na yan.
Wow, kala mo naman. Yun lang yung contribution. May masabi si Mama. Finally, discuss ko later yung mga technicals on renting a car. But for now, pray muna tayo.
Muli kami sa inyo, Panginoon, sa mga sandaling ito, Panginoon. Kikita niyo po, Panginoon, namin sa tuition, sa mga sandaling ito, Panginoon. Ngayon po ay nag-rent ng isang sasakyan para maging
Go, first destination is Mama talaga wala. Nagbabalot.
Makomanay.
Makomanay.
Cemetery. Makomanay Cemetery.
Memorial Park lang. Wow. Oh, breathe in, breathe out.
Oh Lord my God.
Kinakabahan si Papa.
Kinakabahan si Papa.
Passenger princess. So ito ang setup namin. Ayan si Papa, driver. Oh, relax mo lang shoulder.
Hello.
Assalamualaikum, habibi.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ako ang, ano tawag dito pa?
Baliktad yung
Ano tawag sa
kalsada dito.
driver na katabi?
Co-pilot.
Co-pilot.
Passenger Princess. Tapos, ayan, yung gamit namin ni Papa is yung Google Maps niya sa phone. Ayan. Ito kasi hindi gumagana, hindi na sa search yung mga gusto namin puntahan. So, ayan na lang kami. So far, so good.
Alright.
Alright. Alright. The weather is very nice.
Mainit eh.
TTC, another toll gate. So, dire-diretso ka lang. Ayan, 270. Ayan, so diretso lang, goods. So kanina magkano pa?
Saan tayo? Diretso?
Dito.
Dito na.
Magkano pa? 400 something. So naka 600 na kami na toll for now.
Puro na.
So our first destination via our rented car is the Mukamanay Takino Cemetery. It is 36 kilometers away from our origin earlier, around mga 40 minutes drive. So nakakalahati na kami.
繊細なその目を見つめて知りたいやばい期待止まらない No
We're already inside the Makomanay Takinorian Cemetery. I'm so sorry for my pronunciation, but ang laki niya mga bestie ko. Kanina pa kami nagda-drive around for around, let's say, mga 15 minutes, and nasa loob lang kami ng buong area ha. From right to left, left to right, ang daming mga sementeryo. Ayan, makikita mo. Mga tombs. No? So talagang malaking park siya. I think this is the largest park style na cemetery here in Japan. Ayan yung map niya mga bestie ko. Marami, aside from, you know, a cemetery park, may mga attraction spots din around here na pwede nyong puntahan. We will just be visiting some of the spots because if we will visit all of them, ubos ang oras. Ayan. So take note mga bestie ko, their operating hour is this one from 8 a.m. tama ba? From 8 a.m. to 18 o'clock or 19 o'clock, depende sa oras. I'll just place it here. And mga bestie ko, bilang nakapag-rent kami ng car, dito mo talaga masasabi na, thank God, nag-rent kami ng car. Worth it. Because if you will just be walking around, nakakapagod. Ang laki kasi talaga ng park. And parang kalat-kalat yung ibang mga attractions. This is one of the benefits why renting a car is worth it here in Sapporo. Kaya na si Papa. Oh yes, first destination, survived. And don't worry mga bestie, kung makikita nyo yung map, ayan, ang daming mga P. So meaning, ang daming mga parking area around. So weather check saglit before we go to the first spot here in the cemetery. Ang ganda ng weather mga bestie ko. Imagine mo, may araw, maliwanag, pero hindi mainit. Fresh! So it's 22 degree here in Sapporo. Take note, our date right now, it's July 1. So summer-ish na dito sa Sapporo, or ito na yung summer nila. I'm not sure, I'll just place it here kung kailan ang kanilang summer season, kung anong season man to. But yeah, that's the weather right now. Sobrang I love it. As in, guys, fresh ba tayo yung makeup ko andito pa? Since ano pa to Tokyo. Tapos, hindi madilim, hindi rin maginaw. Diba? Medyo mahangin right now, but okay lang siya. Okay lang siya mga bestie ko. So now, we are on our first stop, which is the Moai statue. I'm so sorry for my pronunciation. Hindi po tayo nakapag-research kung paano mag-pronounce, but take note mga bestie ko, the whole cemetery itself, it's really, really big. Ito yung mapa niya. Ayan. And ang dami ding mga, you know, spots or attractions or places to visit around the cemetery. But the most iconic ones are actually the three, the Moai statues, Stonehenge replica, and the Hill of the Buddha. So, tatlo yan. Now, if you're planning to explore around more than just these three attractions, tamang-tama if nag-rent kayo ng car because napakalaki po talaga niya. And if you will be walking around, medyo hindi siya giving. I'm not sure kung may mga pa-shuttle dito or you rent something so you could go around efficiently. I'm not sure. I'll just research and place it here. But if ang inyong punta is just the three iconic ones, don't worry because magkakatabi lang sila. Pakita ko sa inyo So this is the Moai statues. Then lakad ka lang kaunti. Ayan yung road. Then over there behind that house is the Stonehenge replica. Then walk ka lang here. You can see behind that bus is the Hill of the Buddha.
So magkakatabi lang talaga sila mga bestie ko. So yan, now we are here in the Moai statues. Moai, tama ba? Moai. And it's actually a row of Moai statues talaga, inspired by the famous statues on Eastern Island in Chile. And take note, yes, this is not the ancient originals. Replicas lang talaga siya. And they are actually placed to symbolize respect for the ancestors and the connection between the past, present, and the future. Yun daw ang kanilang atake dito. Dalawang sides tong statues na to. There's one on the left and there's one on the right. Medyo nagtagal kami dito sa right na to because we thought na medyo same siya nung left, but actually mas maraming statues to than here. So, wala lang. Just wanna let you know for efficiency. Then, ayan, from here, we're just gonna walk towards there to reach the next spot, which is yung replicas. Kemerlu. Then next mga bestie ko, we are walking towards the Stonehenge replica. I'm so sorry for my pronunciation again and again and again. And again, it's the replica from the original Stonehenge in England. And historians believe actually na it was used as an ancient burial and ceremonial site as well. So since nandito siya sa cemetery, same lang din ang kanyang significance. It reflects the remembrance and the honoring nung the ones who came before us. It was really intentionally placed. There's no history behind it. Para lang talaga siyang decorative landmarks. Oh my God, sobrang ganda. Hindi nabibigyan ng justice ng video na to kung gaano kaganda yung nakikita namin. At sobrang breathtaking niya. I mean, look at that. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Lord. Glory to you alone. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord, for giving me the ability to bring my parents here in Sapporo. I mean, look at them when I enjoy nila in sila. Thank you, Lord, for giving me the strength and mental capacity to lead this tour. Again, this is my first time doing it. As an ADHD, it's a challenge. Actually, sobrang sakit na ng ulo ko. But looking at them with this view, everything is just so worth it. So, salamat, Lord. Salamat po. Thank you, Lord, so much. Sunod-sunod lang ako na mama. Sila ang nag-shopping. Ako, I promised myself not to buy shoes this year.
Yes, correct. Because you have too much shoes.
Dami ko na kasing shoes. Ano?
Niwawala mo.
Niwawala mo.
Niwawala ko.
Nawawala niya. Pag iniiwan ko sa bahay nila, hindi na bumabalik sa akin. Ayan, si Mama Macrocs. Pero, discount nila is, pag nakadalawa ka, 15%. Pero pag hindi, regular pa rin yung price. May mga iba na, ayan, 30% off. Pero tsakanis ng kulay. Kalaki yung floor we're currently in. But, this is just in Maple Mall. Meron pang another mall na connected, which is Clover Mall. Ayan ang mga brands. Let's go! So, this is just the second floor of Maple Mall. Oh, nangangarap si Mama magkaroon ng Ray-Ban. Meron sa Shopee. Parang 80 pesos. So, ito na yung look ng Clover Mall. Mas malaki siya compared dun sa Maple Mall. So, if ever limited ang time nyo, prioritize nyo na lang to. Or depende sa brands. Again, ayan ang brands for Clover Mall. And this is the brands for Maple Mall. Andito yung Adidas pa. Amats kasi ni Papa mag-Adidas. So, let's go. Oo. Ayan, Adidas golf only. Pang golf lang yata tong mga to pa. So ayan, nahanap na ni Papa ang Adidas niyang Fantasy. Wow, patingin ako. Wow, nakabili si Papa. Open mo, pakita mo naman. Ah, wow. Ito yung binili.
Ayan, binili ko.
1.5. Ito, yun nga. Yung 3.999. Taray, pang binata to ah.
Original naman siya.
Oo.
Original design ng Adidas.
Eh, hindi man yan pang walking.
Oh, pero
Pang
ganyan yung
forma
mga
lang.
Original na.
Pang forma ni Papa sa mga gala niya. Dinner time.
Sa bahay ko.
Lapit na ako. Mga 5 minutes na lang. So, ayan mga beshi ko. Salamat naman. Anyway, before ko chikahin kayo kung nasan kami ngayon, let me just discuss with you yung experience namin kanina. Shopping. We ended up in this shopping mall called Mutsui Outlet. Actually, on the way kasi, nakita namin yun on the way to the cemetery. And nakita namin na may outlet na name. So, sabi namin, okay, sige, puntahan namin to after visiting the cemetery. So, yun, pinuntahan namin because sobrang lapit lang talaga niya sa cemetery. And at the same time, mga bestie ko, I also found out na sobrang lapit lang din niya sa airport. So, imagine niyo yung aming ruta. It could have been efficient if from the airport, we already picked up the car, drive towards the cemetery, then Mitsui Outlet Mall. So, ang dami siguro namin magagawa and hindi pa tapos yung araw. Ngayon kasi it's already 7 p.m. so wala na kami magagawa. So, di ba? Lesson learned, mga beshi girls. In Mitsui Shopping Mall, feedback ko siguro, carry lang. I mean, I'll show you, ayan, some clips of the items that I took videos of. Tama ba yung aking English? Hindi na gumagana aking brain cells. Ayan yung mga items, not bad for the price, pero I'm not sure kung sulit ba siya. Like, mura ba talaga siya? Like, outlet price ba talaga siya? I really don't know, but kayo na mag-judge. And, ewan ko, walang wow factor for me. So, yun lang naman. Although si Papa, nakabili naman siya ng shoes, 1,500 pesos yata o 1,800 pesos. So, not bad. Si Mama, walang nabili. Doon daw siya sa mga ukay-ukay.
Kasi ang wallet, 7,000 na gustuhan ko.
Oo, may gusto siyang wallet na MK, 7K. Sabi niya, sa ukay-ukay ko na lang yung bilhin. So anyway, then from there, carry lang, wala talaga siyang wow factor for me. But kayo guys, hindi ko rin sure, depende rin kasi yan sa shopping spirit nyo. Ako kasi, I'm intentionally deciding not to shop. Ganon. So, nasa utak ko na talaga na, ganon. Gets nyo ba? Now, we're having dinner in Yoshinoya, which is around 10 minutes away from our Airbnb dahil hindi pa po kami nakakapag-check-in. And yeah, Yoshinoya mga bestie ko, it's like, kung hindi nyo pa alam, it's like para siyang fast food restaurant serving mga, Japanese food. Favorite ko to, like, dahil I can eat Yoshinoya every single day. And here in Yoshinoya, isa lang yung in-order ko. Pakita ko sa inyo later. So, ayan, this is my all-time Yoshinoya favorite. Ano siya, beef with rice na may cheese. Tapos I always order extra cheese kasi hindi pa sapat ang cheese na to, doy. So, bon appetit! Sakit talaga ng ulo ko, guys. Wala kasi talaga akong tulog. So, sila Mama and Papa nag-order naman ng beef and mackerel set. Ayan. Papa, ikaw, dito ka na.
Muna yung pagkain.
Pray pala muna.
Large lang sama sa biyahin sa amin. Karinig ko maging talaga.
Oo eh.
Ano nila?
Ang lansa.
Malansa, hindi masarap.
Wala kasi toyo eh.
Kanina pa sila nagkikrave ng isda eh. Ano pa? Try mo. Oo, sanay na sanay mag-chopsticks. Kami ni Mama hindi marunong. Tignan mo. Ginagawa niya.
Chismis na nakakita sa akin.
Ito, toyo. Ano, sarap?
Okay.
Carry lang?
Pwede na rin. Malansa.
Ano to, Toyo?
So, ayan. The bill is here. Update. Yung food ko, it's at 660 yen plus yung extra cheese ng 162. Yung kina Mama, 1,798 divided by 2, 899 yen. Not bad. So, total na bill namin is 2,815 yen. Ay, nagdagdag pa kasi sila ng isa pang beef na 195 yen. malapit na po kami umuwi mga bestie ko. Ayan ang aming accommodation sa harap ko. But before anything else, of course, we have to park our car over here. And thankfully, in front of our accommodation is a 24-hour parking area. And ang atake niya is, ayan, coin parking ang tawag. So, pakita ko sa inyo ha. That's our accommodation. And this is the parking lot. Then, ang steps dito, Google Translate ko, is first, you need to park muna. Then, determine mo yung parking slot number. Dito mo i-enter. Then, you pay. Bogs. So, pwede siyang cash, coins, or card. Hindi pala coin parking. Pay parking. Coin park! Wala na siyang brain cells. So, dito nagpa-park sila, Papa. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, may mga number here. So, sa number 3, nagpa-park si Papa. Bog. So, ayan ang aming mansion. This one. Ang problema sa mga ganito mga bestie ko is, ayan o, hindi siya naka-English. Walang English day. So, we just have to Google Translate it. So, here, ano nakasulat? Please enter a vehicle number and press the payment key. Vehicle number? Anong receipt? F5. Ang gulo. Ayan. How to use? Ewan ko, wait lang. Hindi ko talaga maintindihan. Iba yung... So, meron silang here. Ayan, QR translator. Try natin ito. Wala na kasi akong internet. Ngayon pa ako nawalan. Oh, day. Wala akong internet. So, may pa QR translator siya here. Try natin to. So, ayan na. Andito na yung instruction. Balitaan ko na lang kayo. Wait lang. Okay. 3. F1. Huwag ka mag-Japanese, hindi kita naiintindihan. Wait po. Bagal pa niya mag-translate. Credit cards, please. 110 yen. 1 day, 110 yen. Ito na yun. Okay. So, enter 110 yen. Please pay the fee. Service ticket. Ayun. Tapos, please press the button for receipt. Baka bukas pa malalaman. Hindi ko rin alam eh. So anyway, ang ginawa ko mga bestie ko, just so you know, hindi ko alam kung tama. Since nag-refer lang ako sa picture, yung ito, wala talagang kwenta. Hindi siya useful. So nag-park kami. Then, pinindot ko 3 since parking slot number 3 kami. Then, pinindot ko tong blue na button na to. Ayan. Then, sabi niya, magbayad daw. 110 yen. So, nagbayad kami. Then, yun na yun. Binigyan kami ng resibo. This one. So, let's see. So, mali. So, ito pala ang aming accommodation. The one a while ago was that. So, few walks lang. Yan lang. Poink, 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 poink. Then, that's it. So, yan na kami. Checking in. Self-check-in kasi sa Airbnb kami. Kasya ba tayo? Liit. Okay. Kasha. Pagod na. Si mama na iihi. 2:05. Ayan, ito. And here we go. So, this is the door of our mansion. So, ang code nandyan pa sa picture. Here we go. Wow. Honey, I'm home. No shoes. Bawal ang shoes. Wow. So, isang buong room siya na may 2 kama. So, let's go. Pasok. Room tour. So we have here 2 queen size bed or double bed, queen size bed na magkatabi. Then in front of that is a mini living room. Then may kitchenette din tayo, no, na pwedeng lutuan and everything. Then may refrigerator, may microwave, may air fryer, at merong kettle. Then meron din tayo ditong washing machine. Then toilet, ito ang look ng toilet, may bathtub din tayo. So hiwalay ang toilet bowl sa bathroom. Taray! Good morning, Ohio! Sapporo! Nakatulog ba tayo? Nakatulog. Ako naka 7 hours and something minutes na tulog. Si mama ang haba ng tulog. So anyway, we're having breakfast from Lawson. So nagka-crave si mama ng spaghetti. Ketchup flavored spaghetti for 538 yen. Tuna, mayonnaise, and cod roe for 441 yen. Busog ka na dyan. Ako as a healthy living. Salad. Chicken and egg salad with onion sauce. As a healthy living, but ito sobrang favorite ko talaga to sa Lawson. As in, every time na mag-Lawson ako, this will not be missed. Ito, yung mga chicken nilang ganyan, yung nasa box.
So I have the cheese one and the spicy one. 288 yen. Then, as an orange girly, orange juice for 213. Bon appetit! So, today mga bestie ko, saan tayo pupunta? Otaru. We will be, ito yung legit namin na tour here in Sapporo. But of course, I have to end this vlog mga bestie ko at sa susunod na vlog na po to. At napapahaba na po itong video na to. So, see you on the next vlog! Mama, Papa, say bye-bye!
Bye. Breakfast muna kami.
Bye-bye! Oh, wait lang. So, nag-enjoy ba kayo sa Sapporo? So
Yes.
far?
Nice.
Kuru-kuru. Oh, bakit?
Ganda.
Yung
Unique.
place medyo peaceful.
Peaceful.
Yung pinuntahan natin kahapon, peaceful.
Oo. Yung driving pa, kamusta so far?
Okay naman, hindi siya ground traffic, hindi siya traffic,
Hindi traffic at all, no?
traffic.
Nasasanay ka na mag-drive. Nasasanay ka na sa
Dito,
left side.
Left side ba ang tawag nito?
Oo. Left side
Medyo baliktad na
of the
kalsada
road
dito,
and right side of the driving.
Pero pag marunong ka na talaga mag-drive, madali ka
Madali, no?
makapag-adapt.
Sana ako ng backless, no? Parang this summer, buti nagdala ako ng mga sweater.
Oo.
Summer daw yun.
Summer season,
Wow.
pero malamig. Anyway, bye mga bestie ko. Abangan ang next vlog. Sa vlog na yon, I will be sharing with you the whole itinerary of Sapporo and an overview of our expenses. Of course, kasama na dyan yung mga little bit of our raw experiences and everything. So pray for us na sana hindi po kami mag-away-away sa mga next days. Bye-bye!